Hi there, how are you all? I hope all are doing fine. So, one of my friends messaged me earlier asking me what is an ACL tear. So, this video is all about what is ACL tear, how does it happen, and how to prevent such injuries. What is ACL? ACL stands for anterior cruciate ligament. ACL is one of the key ligaments that help stabilize your knee joint. The ACL connects your thigh bone femur to your shin bone tibia. What is an ACL injury? An ACL injury is a tear or sprain of the anterior cruciate ligament. How does an ACL injury happen? ACL injuries most commonly occur during sports and fitness activities that can put stress on the knee. Suddenly halting while running, landing awkwardly from a jump, suddenly slowing down and changing direction, receiving a direct blow to the knee or collision such as a football tackle. What are the symptoms? Signs and symptoms of an ACL injury usually include a loud pop or a popping sensation in the knee, severe pain and limited knee movement, rapid swelling, loss of range of motion, a feeling of instability. How to prevent such injuries? Proper training and exercise can help reduce the risk of ACL injury. Exercises that strengthen leg muscles, particularly hamstring exercises, should be incorporated in the training regime to ensure an overall balance in leg muscle strength. Exercises to strengthen the core, including the hips, pelvis, and lower abdomen, should be added too. Particularly, the training and exercise emphasizing proper technique and knee position when jumping and landing from jumps should be included in the workout regime. Also, training to improve techniques while performing pivoting and cutting movement should be included in the workout regime. What is the first aid for an ACL injury? Start first aid right away when you have recognized you have an injury. First aid will reduce swelling and pain. As our college physiotherapist, Manoj sir always says, whenever there is a strain or sprain, use the RICE method, wherein R stands for rest. Rest the knee. I stands for ice. Apply ice on the knee. C stands for compression. Use an elastic bandage to give gentle compression to the knee. And E stands for elevate. Elevate the leg by propping it up above the level of your heart. Always, during such injury, immobilize the knee and go and get a doctor's help immediately. So, before ending this video, I would like to congratulate one of my students, Yen Ranjit, who had messaged me the pictures of his transformed physique. This picture was taken before he joined our gym High Definition Fitness Center, and this picture was taken before lockdown of our gym started due to Corona, and this is his recent picture that was taken after doing home workouts during lockdown. It really took me for a surprise. Wow! It goes and shows how much you have worked hard and been consistent all these days to achieve the dream that you have dreamt in your mind. A teacher is like a 1000 watts bulb and the student is like a 5 watts bulb. The student is not brighter at first due to less watts and can illuminate only a little space around him in the dark, whereas the teacher who is compared to a 1000 watts bulb can illuminate a larger area around him in the dark. As a teacher, our job is to switch on ourselves and show the larger illuminated area that we have discovered around us to our students before turning it off. Soon, as time progresses, the student who is just a 5 watts bulb learns to grow by himself in the unknown dark without fear, since he had already seen the dark area once shown by his guru, and he learns to grow confidently from a 5 watts bulb to a 100 watts bulb, ultimately just to become a 1000 watts bulb. Who knows, one fine day he might even surpass his teacher and grow on to become a 10,000 watts bulb and discover the places even his master had failed to discover. This is the ultimate wish of all the teachers in the world, that their students follow their passion and be the best in their field. I would once again like to congratulate N. Ranjit for this wonderful accomplishment of his goal to gain lean muscle. You have truly won my respect, brother. Set more such higher goals so that you continually progress. And I definitely urge that this will serve as a big inspiration for all our viewers who are watching this video. Do like this video if you really found N. Ranjit to be inspiring. Comment if you have a doubt regarding fitness, exercise physiology and nutrition. Subscribe and share our videos so that you regularly get to learn something new. And finally, thanks for watching.